So GI tract is at the base of the tissue formation. The quality of digestion conditions the quality of the tissue and proper metabolic processes, of course. So the metabolism is in general, consists of two primary processes. The one is assimilation and the other is elimination. This what the metabolism at its entirety from the top perspective. Also the energy conversion, and we'll talk about that a little bit later. So from the GI tract, the nutrients are assimilated into the blood and plasma. The specific nutrients of the Ahara Rasa, which is the food essence, which is the nutrients in their basic forms after the digestion in GI tract, go into the bloodstream and begin nurturing those tissues. The particles that are appropriate for plasma are staying and nurture plasma. It is primarily water. Then the next tissue is the blood tissue. It nurtures all of the food essence and keeps the particles that are appropriate for the blood tissue formation. The next level is the muscle tissue. Same happens here. And the food essence is moving through assimilation pathways. Assimilation is an active process. The muscle tissue is built on the nutrients appropriate for the muscle tissue from the food essence. The next is the fat tissue. Through the assimilation pathways, the food essence moves into the fat tissue and builds and saturates that tissue. The fats can be healthy fats or unhealthy fats. Unhealthy fats are basically formed later, but healthy fats are nurtured of the food essence. Unhealthy fats are they're just toxic fats and some energy deposits that are stored within the body. The next is connective tissue. Connective tissue is the fascia or the matrix of the entire body. Then the next one is the bone tissue. So bone tissue also integrates whatever nutrients from the food essence to form itself. And so on it happens until the highest tissue is nurtured, and the highest tissue is genital tissue, and above the genital tissue, there is one tissue or the energy that is forming is the essence of all tissues together that provides the strong immunity and wholeness to the body, and it is called OJAS. OJAS is the manifestation of health and strength and radiance of the entire body. So it's not the kind of tissue that you can feel. It's not tangible, but you can see where the person emits the health and radiance. You understand that the tissues are formed good and the OJAS is active. So when toxins leave the body and each tissue produces toxins, they leave the body through elimination pathways. And that's the other process of metabolism to eliminate. That's the function. And toxins are shed from the tissue down into the blood and plasma. And then through the digestive tract, the metabolic wastes and some toxic deposits, they leave the body into the external environment. Some toxins can only leave the body from the tissues if they have the favorable conditions that the body provides to those toxins, and that is the patency of elimination pathways. Elimination is an active process. It is not active. It happens inertively. So that's why we really need to support the elimination and undertake certain phases of cleanse to get the results from the endeavor of detox.